What's going on, guys? It was in a block back again. I've got some hazy headlights. Not too bad, but they are starting to yellow up a little bit. Those lowers have been replaced. That one's actually got a little bit of moisture in there. But anyway, the lowers have been replaced. This upper one here, I'm going to be trying this new product I've found in the garage here. Insta-Finish Car Care Products Headlight Restore. I'm not even going to cut this light with any sandpaper. Just going to see what this stuff can do. Now the headlights on the Silverado are really easy to remove, just 2 pins at the top, but you may not be able to remove your headlight easily on your vehicle, so I'm going to just polish it with it on the vehicle. I'll be using this Zoda. This is a little 3-inch random orbital polisher. Directions say to apply in a cool place, so we're in the garage, it's early morning, so it's as cool as it could be. I'm going to go ahead and shake it up a little bit. And say apply speed 800 to 1200 with a buffer. I'm assuming they're talking about a rotary and not a dual action polisher, so we'll start slow, pick up the speed, and see what we come up with. That should be enough. Gonna apply some more product. I think it's drying out on me. Alright, so we can see it did take some contamination off of the lens. I got a plain microfiber. Alright, let's take a look. See what we've got. So this is the before. Kind of yellowy. A little on the hazy side. And this is the after. Get your before on the left and the after on the right. You can definitely see a difference. So I say if you've got some headlights, if you got some headlights that are not terribly bad and you really don't want a wet sand, grab some of this. Works pretty good. Not too bad. Now, of course, you know what this means. We'll have to do a video and compare this to the M105 because that's what I've been using. See how it stacks up. We'll do an M105, no sand, straight polish, and same with this guy. You know what? Why don't we just do it right now? Hiding up here somewhere. Yeah, there. Yeah. Yeah, you knew you were up again. Somebody trying to dethrone the champion. We're gonna find out. Alright, so to make sure this video is comparably compatible for the competition, I will be removing this pad. I'm gonna go grab another one. Here's a new pad. Sit this thing down. Old pad, new pad. Same process we used last time. Pretty familiar with the M105, so I don't think I'll have to apply any more to my pad here, but one never knows. Stuff's drying out on me. I left the cap off. Oh boy. Alright. Before you say anything, because I know somebody's going to say it. You polish this light with your left hand and the other one was with your right. I'm ambidextrous, so the comparison's the same. Alright, so the pad has some contamination on it that was lifted from the lens. Grab a microfiber, we're going to wipe this down. Whatever residue is left. I don't know why it's squeaky clean. That might be telling us something. Let's take a look. Well, yeah. That's the M105. This is the headlight restore. It's pretty clear who's the top dog. I mean, it's ridiculous how well that stuff works. It just does. So there's still haziness on the lens here. Roughly the same amount of product, actually a little bit less polish time with the M105. Now the stuff here is not bad. But if you want that ultra clear clarity, don't mess around. Just grab you some of that. Don't even waste your time with the other stuff. Like I said it before. If I find something better, I'll let you guys know. So no, the champ's not dethroned. I'll give it to these guys though. They even have the bottle similar color. I mean, you know, it looks close until you actually lay it down. And when you lay it down, you find out the truth. They're just not the same. The M105 takes the win. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. I'm back up here so you guys can see. The M105 lights on the left. The headlight restoration from the other products on the right. Just want to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. You guys make it possible for me to continue with this madness of showing you guys which product is the best to buy and trying to dethrone the champs and all that kind of fun stuff. And be sure to check out everything else on the channel. If you hadn't checked out my Instagram, you can find me there at 3 Wheels 1 Block. Also on Facebook. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time. Oh, I'm gonna fix this headlights. I already got that